Today's video is all about buyer's agents. What is a buyer's agent? Do you need one? Can you fire them? Hi, this is Nora Spangler with Rogue Real Estate here in Bend, Oregon. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you being here. Would you give this video and any others you watch a thumbs up? It really helps my channel grow. And if you click that subscribe button, then you'll get notified every week when I do a new video. Have you ever fired your real estate agent? Well, I got fired last week and I'm going to tell you all about it. If you've ever fired your agent, leave a comment below. I would love to hear your story. So what is a buyer's agent versus a listing agent? So the listing agent works for the seller of the property. They could represent you as well, but then they would be working on both sides of the transaction. They would have to be really great at keeping confidences and not sharing information that they shouldn't. So I think it's better if you have your own buyer's agent. Now, are you going to have to pay your buyer's agent? Not usually. The listing broker negotiates a commission from the seller and then they share or split that with the buyer's agent. So if you are buying the property, you will not have to pay your agent for all the hard work that he or she does for you. So are you maybe thinking about moving to Bend? Well, I have a relocation guide just for you. Click the link below in the description box and grab your copy of my relocation guide. So if I'm working with you as your buyer's agent, some of the benefits you're going to get are you're going to be always well informed throughout the whole transaction. Whatever is going on, I'm going to make sure you know about it. You get your signatures in the right place, all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. These are legal documents and you're probably purchasing a property that's in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is a big deal. Why not have someone working for you and you're not even having to pay them? Why would you say no to that? As your buyer's agent, I can show you homes, I can compare them, I can gather data, research, and give you all the answers you need to be sure when you put an offer in, it's on the property that is right for you. So here's a few tips. Show up on time for any appointments. Just be kind and courteous, and that should be returned to you from your agent. Realize that your agent has many clients. You're not their only client, most likely. So they might have other buyers, they're doing other showings, they're driving around town, they're writing contracts, doing paperwork, taking photographs. So give a little patience and grace. So working with a realtor, does that mean it's my job to find you a home? Well, here's where I got into a little bit of trouble with the client who fired me. There was a property that could not be shown because some repairs were being done. So it was kind of on the back burner. My clients were out of town. We wrote an offer on one property, but they didn't get it. And so they were still looking. So this home actually sold. It went pending. And my client saw that and was upset that I didn't reach out to him and let him know that it was available to show. And my client could have chosen to contact me and say, hey Nora, remember that house that we couldn't see before? When can we see that? I work with many clients, so I feel like it's a team effort. I do often bring homes up to my clients and say, hey, this looks like something, that you might like. Would you like to see it? But it's not my home we're searching for. So if you're really looking for a home, then you need to do your part. Call your agent, text them, make sure they know what homes that you want to see. Thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate you.